Another day, another story. The Angkor Wat Temple is a magnificent and historic site located in Siem Reap, Cambodia. It is the largest religious monument in the world and is considered one of the most important archaeological sites in Southeast Asia.
Welcome to Tabo Eminent Channel.
The temple complex was built in the 12th century by the Khmer king Suryavarman II, during the height of the Khmer Empire. The story of Angkor Wat begins with King Suryavarman II, who ascended to the throne in 1113. He was a visionary ruler and had a grand vision of constructing a temple dedicated to the Hindu god Vishnu. The temple was meant to serve as both a state temple and the king's mausoleum. The construction of Angkor Wat took several decades and involved a vast number of laborers and artisans. The temple complex covers an area of over 400 acres and was built using sandstone blocks quarried from nearby mountains. Skilled craftsmen carved intricate bas-reliefs and statues, depicting scenes from Hindu mythology and historical events. Angkor Wat was designed to represent Mount Meru, a mythical home of the gods in Hindu mythology. The temple's central tower symbolizes the peak of Mount Meru, while the surrounding moat represents the cosmic ocean. The temple's architecture showcases the unique Khmer architectural style, characterized by towering spires, elaborate galleries, and intricate carvings. After its completion, Angkor Wat served as a center of religious worship for the Khmer people. It was initially dedicated to the Hindu god Vishnu but later transformed into a Buddhist temple. The transition from Hinduism to Buddhism occurred during the reign of King Jayawarman VII in the late 12th century, who made Buddhism the state religion of the Khmer Empire. It was gradually reclaimed by the surrounding jungle, and its existence became known mostly to local villagers. It wasn't until the 19th century, during the French colonial era, that Angkor Wat was rediscovered by Western explorers. Since then, Angkor Wat has undergone extensive restoration efforts to preserve its grandeur and historical significance. Today, it is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a major tourist attraction, attracting millions of visitors from around the world. The temple's stunning beauty and rich cultural heritage continue to captivate people, making it a symbol of Cambodia's ancient glory and architectural mastery. The Lost Chronicles of Angkor Wat. Deep within the dense jungle surrounding Angkor Wat, an ancient manuscript was discovered by a team of archaeologists. According to the manuscript, there was a legendary temple guardian named Arun, who was tasked with protecting Angkor Wat during its construction. Arun possessed extraordinary powers bestowed upon him by the gods. As the temple neared completion, Arun encountered a mysterious figure lurking in the shadows. Malik was jealous of the temple's grandeur and desired to control the spiritual energy that emanated from it. Arun understood the danger Malik posed to the kingdom and its people. He embarked on a perilous journey to uncover ancient artifacts and sacred knowledge that would help him defeat the sorcerer. During his quest, Arun learned of a prophecy that foretold a great battle between the forces of light and darkness. It spoke of a chosen one who would rise to protect the temple and restore balance to the land. Arun realized that he was the guardian referenced in the prophecy and that it was his destiny to confront Malik. With a surge of energy, he defeated Malik, banishing him from Angkor Wat forever. Having saved the temple and its sacred energy, Arun vowed to protect it for eternity. He became an immortal guardian, bound to the temple's grounds, ensuring its preservation and safeguarding its spiritual power. The manuscript concluded with a note from the temple's architect, expressing gratitude to Arun for his bravery and dedication. As the archaeologists closed the ancient manuscript, they couldn't help but feel a sense of awe and wonder. The story of Arun, the temple guardian, added another layer of mystique to the already captivating history of Angkor Wat. It was a testament to the enduring power and magic that resided within the temple, forever entwined with the spirit of Cambodia. The Enchanted Mural of Angkor Wat. Deep within the heart of Angkor Wat, hidden behind a secret chamber, lay a mural unlike any other. It was said to possess a mystical power, capable of granting a single wish to anyone who could unlock its enchantment. Legend spoke of a young artist named May, who was renowned for her extraordinary talent. One moonlit night, guided by her unwavering determination, May ventured into the temple, carrying her tools and a heart full of ambition. She had heard whispers of the hidden chamber and the fabled mural that lay within. Determined to prove her worth, May resolved to find it. Navigating through dimly lit corridors and winding passageways, May finally stumbled upon a concealed door. Pushing it open, she found herself in a small chamber, its walls adorned with ancient carvings. But the mural was nowhere to be seen. Undeterred, May examined the carvings carefully, tracing her fingers over the intricate details. As she did so, a low hum filled the air, and the carvings began to glow with an ethereal light. May's touch had awakened the hidden magic within the chamber. Suddenly, a doorway materialized before her. It led to a vast chamber bathed in golden light, and there, on the far wall, stood the fabled mural. It depicted a mythical scene of gods and goddesses dancing amidst lush landscapes and cascading waterfalls. Mesmerized by its beauty, May approached the mural and gently touched its surface. The mural came alive, its figures leaping off the wall, their laughter echoing through the chamber. A voice, gentle yet commanding, spoke to May. It was the spirit of the mural, a guardian of the wishes it could grant. May spent days and nights within the chamber, carefully carving her own bas-relief masterpiece inspired by the mural. She poured her heart and soul into her work, infusing it with her hopes and dreams for the world. Finally, with her carving complete, May presented it to the spirit of the mural. The spirit smiled, acknowledging May's unwavering dedication and the purity of her intentions. With a flicker of light, the mural granted May a single wish. Without hesitation, May wished for the restoration and preservation of Angkor Wat, so that future generations could marvel at its grandeur and be inspired by its history. The spirit nodded, accepting May's selfless wish. As May stepped out of the chamber, she noticed a change within herself. Her artistry had grown, infused with the essence of the mural. Word of her talent spread throughout the land, and May became celebrated as the artist who had communed with the enchanted mural of Angkor Wat. To this day, visitors to Angkor Wat marvel at the breathtaking bas-reliefs and exquisite carvings, unaware of the magical mural that lies hidden within. Thanks for watching. Request you to subscribe the channel.